Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, the cool mechanism right here, and basically what this is a mini massage gun. If you can see it's from the brand right here on top. And see the way how they designed this massage gun is so small and portable, so if you guys want to put this in your pocket, you definitely can. But first thing first, I'm actually opening up the wrapper to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so you see in the bottom right here, they provide you guys some of the features or specs that's on the actual product right here. So they mentioned how there's 4 different speed settings on here. It is rechargeable. They also provide you guys a case to actually carry the product. And they provide you guys 4 different head attachments that you actually change from. So like the ball head design, fork design, and the list goes on. And I'll show you guys what each one looks like in a second. So if we turn it in the back, you guys can see right here to tell you guys some more specs that's on here. So it definitely has like the overcharge protection, the over voltage protection, and the list goes on. And then in terms of the battery life on here, they mentioned it should give you guys around 6 hours of usage, and that is only if you guys use it at the lowest setting. If you guys use it at the higher setting, they mostly will not get that full 6 hours I mentioned. And also for this product, they mentioned how it's pretty quiet, so it definitely should have a really low dB, which we'll find out how low is it in a second. So that is basically everything that's on the package right here. Let's open up and show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. So we're gonna pull this part out, and there's basically like a little box inside a box. So when we open it up, you guys can see they have the case right there. So definitely really nice how they provide you guys this little carrying case for the actual massage gun and on the massage head inside. So this is basically what the case looks like. When you feel the quality on here, it definitely feels super durable, and they do have 2 zipper designs, so you open it up this way and open the other way if you guys want to. So just like this. But when you guys look at the side right here and right here, they do have an option for you guys to put on like a lanyard or wrist strap if you guys want to carry around your wrist or carry around your neck because of how portable the product is. And they also have another one on this side as well, so maybe if you guys want to put one here and one on here, you could use like a shoulder strap as well. But this is basically what the case looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when we open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. So they definitely provide you guys a bunch of these massage heads. So here is the first one, here is the second one, here is the third one, and here is the fourth one. And then right here, you can see they do provide you guys a little shoulder strap if you guys want to use this option. Let me show you how to set this up. So I'm going to close up the bag first, and you basically want to hook this onto the side right here that I show you guys. Just like that, and then do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright. And then you guys are all ready to use it however you guys want to. So if you guys want to go like that, you definitely can. If you guys can see, it's basically like carrying like a little small little purse that's very cool and very unique. If you guys can see, super small and portable. So you basically bring this with you guys almost anywhere. And also for this strap, it is adjustable, so you can definitely make it shorter or longer based on your own preference. So inside they do provide a cable, which is USB to USB-C, so you definitely use this to recharge the product wherever you guys want to. So whether you guys want to use like a wall charger or if you guys want to use a power bank to recharge it, you can definitely use either option. And the inside, you can see they do provide a wrist strap, so you definitely use that to hook on the other option as well. So you can basically put it over here like I showed you guys earlier if you guys want to use this option. But definitely really cool how they provide you guys that option. And last but not least, we have the massage gun right here, and you can see it comes in a little bag as well. So let's take it out. Alright, so right here is a little bag with a massage gun inside. When we open it up, so this is basically what the product looks like. When you guys feel the quality of the product, it definitely feels like a high quality product. So you see in the bottom right there, they do have the slot where you have to plug in the cable to recharge it. And then here's a button to activate it. And they do have an indicator right here to show you guys when the product is on and which setting it's using. And this part right here is where you want to plug in the massage heads to start using the product. And it also looks like they have a little indicator light option right here, which we'll find out what that's for in a second. But this is basically what the product looks like, if you can see right here. So before we actually test out the product, let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so I'm gonna use this little portable charger that I have right here to test it out. Alright, so we have it plugged in, and we'll plug the other side in right here. Alright, and then see that once we plug it in, they do have a red indicator right here to show you guys that it is charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or should change to green, and that is basically how you guys know when the product is fully charged. But let's test it out to see whether or not we can actually still use it while it's charging. So all we need to do is press the button at the bottom right here. Alright, so it doesn't look like it actually works when you guys are charging it, so you have to unplug the cable in order for you to use it. Alright, so we unplug the cable, let's test it out. Alright, so it definitely does work. If you guys want to change the setting on the bottom part, you definitely want to press a button to change it. So this is speed level 1, speed level 2, speed level 3, speed level 4, and that goes back to speed level 1. If you want to turn it off, you guys want to press and hold the button at the bottom, and that turns it off. And if you guys notice, when we actually turn on the power right here, there is a green indicator light. So we turn it on again. So you can see that green indicator right here to show you guys that the product is on. Let me just plug in the massage head and test it out to see how well it works. So for this test, I'll probably just use the ball head design. So I use this one right here. So you just want to plug it in all the way and then you start using it. But before I actually use it, I want to test out the dB on here first. Alright, so we got a dB tester right here. Let's turn it on. So this is speed level 1. Let me bring up the speed level 4. Alright, so when we test out the dB on here, you can definitely see that it's around like 50 to 60 range from like speed level 1 to speed level 4. So that's not too loud if you guys actually think about it. It's around a good range. That's actually pretty quiet. But now let me actually test out the product to show you guys how it works. So it definitely has a very good control where it doesn't stop by itself like a lot of other massage gun, which is pretty nice. And it also feels really nice as well, even on speed level 1. Let me turn it on speed level 4. Alright, speed level 4. Alright, so I have to say that even on speed level 4 or speed level 1, they both work really well. It's just that when you guys are on speed level 4, it actually works a lot better and much stronger than when you guys are on speed level 1. And I actually really like speed level 4 a lot more as well. So that way I actually get a much more deeper massage when I actually use the product, which is super cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this mini massage gun, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a mini portable massage gun that you can basically bring with you guys anywhere, and also has the option for you guys to actually charge it however you guys want to. So whether you guys want to use a wall charger or a power bank, you can definitely use either or, since all you guys need is the USB cable. And also if you guys want a massage gun that provides you guys all the extra accessories that they provide for you guys right here, like the case, the shoulder strap, the wrist strap. If you guys want everything that I just mentioned and showed you guys, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.